Yeah, we in this motherfucker today, man. I'm going in today, man. I ain't about to wait no more. Homie Wayne Navy with BTS Bird in the fucking building. Yeah, look here, look. I'ma bang this shit. I'ma bang this shit. I'ma bang this shit. I'ma bang this shit. I'm everywhere with my hood held high. You can't be a gangster if you afraid to die. Look, you and I know that can't nobody face the dude. You not great, so what you do is not amazing, dude. I got shells, that shit is hotter than Cajun food. Watch how my gun cook your dog like them Asians do. I leave you stinky, smell like one of them Haitian dudes. Stop talking guns if none of you niggas made the news. I point you out, and I can't find it even gayer dude. A little upset with God on how fake he made these dudes. I'm in the car on this T-Mobile, chopper in my hand, ready to send you to your beat. Hold up, 5 in the morning, we the only dudes rolling. It's 5 in the morning, your body the only thing smoke. Man, y'all dudes faking, y'all be pretending. That shit you talking about, man, we did that last winter. But dude, look, I forgive you, you was tripping on the liquor. You talk that same shit in the morning, I get you. Man, I don't remember my last fight. It's guns now, my shit hot from last night. Man, cause in school you couldn't stop the dude. I was in the gym with the gun by the locker room. I'ma bang this shit, I'ma bang this shit. I'ma bang this shit, I'ma bang this shit. I'm everywhere with my hood held high. You can't be a gangster if you afraid to die. Look, 30 years, well, me and my twin, but I'd rather do this shit than sitting in the pen, rapping with convicts and saying what I could've did. Then 30 years later, saying what I could've been. But don't try me, cause I damage you, man. Shit, I wouldn't bet on if you a gambler, man. So put your hands on your head, bet I leave it by the couch. Cause if I hit him with deflection, I'ma stretch a nigga out. Cause dude, stopping me, it's gonna be a tough task. I got war wounds, I'm more marked up than a rough draft. Chop out the stash and make all them boys duck fast. Waiting in your bushes like I'm about to cut grass. And we all in disguise, call me a mascot. Up in 5 cells, spitting nothing but crack rock. While I'm staring out the window, wishing I was on the blacktop. 4 in the morning in the county watching Matlock. Shit, it get dirty, I put on some old sneakers and turn into a janitor or pull out the street sweepers. So think before you act, I know you hear it all the time. Cause it's dome shots, so don't let your brain slip your mind. Yeah, I'ma bang this shit, I'ma bang this shit. I'ma bang this shit, I'ma bang this shit. I'm everywhere with my hood held high. You can't be a gangster if you afraid to die.
A real Crip nigga, a fresh fit nigga. Without no question, they be Jeff and I be Dip, nigga. It's Coogee on my jeans, my Glock 17. I bang Crippin' for the record, what you niggas mean? Ayy, it's dangerous, no angel dust, we kush rollin'. We take the back streets, nigga, cause the whip stolen. My 50 cap be blue, I stack big faces. And my J's be all black with the blue laces. Been Crippin' since the youngin' on these city streets. And I'm so raw, they don't ask, they just give me beats. Nigga, I been a beast and quick to let that semi clap. And my 2 favorite words is lay down and give me that, pussy.